You have time to fix my phone?
Well, it's a new day and a new plan. I tried to use the rock teeth there, and it didn't do any good at all. I mean,
You want me to read you a story? You want me to read you a story about the Jingle Bells? Achoo! Hey, it snowed.
No, I just, I got the wind knocked out of me. It's great.
Achoo!
I think the puppy's from Daddy. No, the puppy is not from Daddy. You know that. He said he's sending us a surprise. Boys and gotta do. He knows we've been asking. We can knock him out from the dog. This man is in pain. Do you want ibuprofen?
Ibuprofen.
We can help you.
I've been married to my high school sweetheart for 35 years. I'm a mother of four, always busy. I was starting to feel a little foggy. It just didn't feel like things were as sharp as I knew they once were. I heard about Prevagen, and then I started taking it about 2 years ago. Started noticing things a little sharper, a little clearer, and I feel like it's kept me on my game. I'm able to remember things, so give it a try.
Prevagen, healthier brain, better life. Real heroes.
Real conflict.
Real place.
Real
Now, there's a place America gets its news.
Newsmax. We're real news for real people.
Millions are turning off the old channels.
And switching to Newsmax, the fastest growing cable news channel in America.
No agenda,
No spin,
just the facts.
millions watch us, so can you.
Newsmax. We're real news for real people.
Outrage at the death of George Floyd, an African-American man, while in police custody in Minneapolis nearly a week ago.
When you look at the impact of what George Floyd's death had, where there were numerous riots all across the country, and there was little or no suppression by the cities themselves, that essentially allowed
Because when you start to say, well, we need to bend the rules to get better outcomes, that is
It's almost the end of February. It's like the 23rd or something. And they're back. They've been gone. Like yesterday I saw one. And he stayed a little while.
People, we're not going to turn around and send civilian inspectors out and compromise a complement of resources that are actually getting the vaccinations done.
Additionally, one county executive is questioning the methods being used to enforce the mandate.
We are not going out and penalizing those businesses that are not, that don't have 100% compliance, which is challenging because what are we punishing them under? Civil law, criminal law? What criminal law are they going to be penalized under? And we don't have the resources to go out and, patrol it, police it.
And executives said that the governor really wants to bring coronavirus case numbers down, sending people out to police masks while giving up manpower to aid.
And then here's one of Jesus leaning into the frame, and he says, "In case you're still curious about what I would do."
Thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you.
So, John, right now, obviously we're in the evening hours there. We were looking at Buckingham Palace live a few moments ago. As I mentioned, this family's been through so much. Charlie's alluding to the same. Been through a lot in the past few weeks, but the king said in his statement that he is hopeful with this diagnosis.
Yeah, and I think a good sign is the fact that they're not saying that the king needs to go in for surgery to treat it, meaning that it will be done either with, as Doc Siegel was suggesting, immunotherapy or chemotherapy, radiation, maybe a combination of 2 or 3 of all of those, which may mean that they caught it early.
Rainy day, and the dog just looks out the window because she can't stand the rain. And she gets to watch. Every once in a while, a little birdie will come by. None up on the wires. There's one floating around over there. Somewhere. You can see it. Down a little bit. There we go. There's a dove. And another little birdie in there. Sure love my little garden. It's only got another few weeks to go. I won't have my little miniature forest going on. The birds and the feeder up there again. See if I can get a good shot. They probably all fly away because I stood up. There's one. And they're up in the trees too. You can see where they're making the limbs bounce. There he is. Got the feeders there and a feeder over here. I see movement in there. There's a birdie there. There they are. They're so cool.
Okay. I'm trying to get it back to my Christmas, so it's...
Oof. All right, well, let's take a look. Oh, I got your coffee.
Ah, thank you.
You're welcome.
Jordan takes a 3-year deal, and a 3-year contract for Jorge Soler, who then ultimately become the first 30-homer player they had since 2004 when Barry Bonds did it. It's Greg Amsinger, my guy, Yadier Alonso, and as we went to bed last night, we heard the news, reports that Matt Chapman in agreement on a 3-year contract with the Giants. So we have one of the best defensive third basemen coming to this team. Tell me why that makes sense.
Well, I mean, for reasons that everybody knows, right?
This is a call to the ones who put family above work and always have their neighbors first. At Pure Talk, we're a wireless company that champions American values. We'll give you a voice, along with unlimited talk, text, and data, for only $30 a month. That's less than a burger and fries these days. All our new most dependable 5G network. So stand with us, a proud American company,
It goes back to the people who built this country, people who stand for our flag, people who believe in working hard, not hardly working. So join your fellow Americans and call Pure Talk with 50% off your first month. This is your call. It's time to answer.
Nonex turns embarrassing terminals into clear healthy-looking terminals. 90% of men is significantly improved. No matter how many years you struggle, Nonex works. Finally, in flip flops after 20 years.
New Hampshire, for the first in the nation.
Interesting. Yeah, I mean, a customer comes in and buys a completed needlepoint pillow that their neighbor made, and then they come back and decide they want to do it themselves from scratch. So you have a local needlepoint enthusiast who's here teaching a tutorial at your craft prop, and then next thing you know, you've got a whole bunch of new needle pointers that are buying up all your needle pointers.
That's a good tip. I will talk to Luke about it.
You're welcome. Gotta say, though, I'm a little envious of all the space you have here. Have you thought about doing coffee?
You like sell coffee here in the store?
Yeah. Yeah, why not? I mean, I was thinking of doing a coffee cart in my store. You know, those real pretty ones with all the beautiful gold fixtures and stuff. It looks so cute in here. And we've got the space for it. The neighborhood could use a good coffee shop.
Oh, I guess a coffee cart would bring in a steady flow of customers.
I told you everything will have just fine.
Really, just fine? You do know that I have a plan spending my first Christmas in London running from the flu.
That was such a magic, David.
And Angie, while this has been fun, I only had a couple hours. I really have to make this meeting.
Don't worry, you got that. Besides, just here.
Where?
Can't see those. Pay no attention to that man making noise. So here's all these birds. Birds. All these birds. There's a bunch in there. And I don't think I can get it big enough. Let's see if I can find that cat. There's the cat is right there. Just can't really see it. There's the cat.